प्रमाणान प्रेशराचेर आसा. आय कॅनॉट प्रेशरायज देम फर्दर. तांचोय मोराल बी मातसो वयर दवरचो पडटा. ते रात दीस काम करता. आनी आमचो बॅकलॉग जो प्रोजेक्टाचो बॅकलॉग आशिल्लो, तुमी जाणा प्रोजेक्ट केन्ना स्टार्ट जाल्लो आनी केन्नाच्यान पेस वाडले ताचेर हांव येना. पण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक मातशें बुस्टूय करपाचें आसता आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक कितें फाटीं फुडें जालें जाल्यार लायनीरूय हाडपाचें आसता. वी हॅव दीस पॉलिसी. दीस इज अ कंटिन्युअस रिव्ह्यूज वीच वी आर होल्डिंग. पूण आजचे रिव्ह्यू कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांकूय मातशें सेन्सिटायज केले आमी. बाबा आमची डेडलायन आसा, काम स्पिडीर जाता पूण नेग्लिजन्स जावपा जायना. हे सगळे इश्यूज हाडल्या आमी. प्रेसानूय जायते इश्यू हायलायट केल्या. आमी सेन्सिटीव आहा ह्या इश्यूवाचेर आनी आमी एक असो जो फोटो आयला, आमचे तुमचे जे क्लिपींग आयला ते दाखयला कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक. हें जावं ना, हे many a times there are certain issues which press also highlight which are not true.
Now the Raibandar
handle on this unseasonal rainfall, there were a lot of flooding, especially at the part of because now rainy season is about to suddenly already feel flooded. Can you see the flooding?
See, Smart City has not worked throughout country, but wherever we have worked, in the first pre-monsoon showers, our drains were not complete. A lot of connections were not there. If there were no drains, definitely water would not flow. I'm not saying that this situation is because of Smart City in all areas, but in the areas where we are working, we have taken special care, and you may have seen a lot of drain work is going on, and lot of cross connections have been done in the areas where we have worked. Impediments which are there in old existing drains, like cables of power, water pipeline, sewage connections, fiber lines, all these have been removed. Now if you see all the drains which are being commissioned by Smart City, they are totally hindrance proof, and I can vouch for it. There is not a single cable lying in this. There is not a pipeline lying in this. And if at all there is a small issue of pipeline or whatever is there, we will remove it after our parallel line which is being installed will be commissioned. So these issues have been taken. So wherever drains have been taken up, we have taken care to see that a proper water channel is being maintained. So I think this will help. Point 2, people were talking about a lot of drains which were there during pre-liberation era. These drains also have been, if you go to see at the Hindu pharmacy stretch, we have excavated the drain. The drain had a minuscule capacity. We have expanded the drain. We have widened the drain as well as the height has been raised. So the volume of this drain has gone on at least 4 to 5 times. Similarly, the drain from Don Bosco to 18 June Road to Pharmacy College, the volume of this drain has come up extensively. We have excavated this drain right from the bottom. So I think there has been thought gone into it, and we have taken good care.
रायबंदरचो रोड बंद आसा
हय.
तो केन्ना सारको ओपन जातलो? कारण मेर्शेचेर खूब ट्राफीक जंक्शन जाता, ट्राफीक प्रॉब्लेम जाता आनी आतां मदीं काम सुरू जालां. सो रायबंदरचो रोड ओपन केलो बरें पडटलें. तो केन्ना ओपन जातलो?
आमी 31 तारखेर सांगला. आमी 31 तारखेर रायबंदरचें काम सोंपयतले. वी आर ऑन ट्रॅक. आतां रायबंदर टू चिंबेल जो रोड आसा, त्या रोडार आमकां मातशी चॅलेंज आसा सुएजची. थंय वॉटर टेबल जायतेच उंच आसा. पूण रायबंदर टू ओल्ड गोवा रोड तो बंद आसा. तो डेफिनेटली 31 तारखेर उगडटले. वी आर कॉन्फिडंट that we will complete the work by 31st.
आतां मेरेन कितले पर्संटेज वर्क जाला सगळें? रोड सिवरेज धरून एक अंदाज कित्याक आतां 20 दीस उरले.
पळय 20 दीस उरल्या. आतां पर्संटेज आनी कितें मागता? आनी 20 दिसांनी तुमी म्हाका विचारतले जाला की ना तें. आतां आनी पर्संटेज लास्ट मिनट पर्संटेज दिवन कसलो फायदो तुमकां?
कंप्लेनी आता की खंयतरी जी वॉटर पायपलायन आसा ती खंयतरी सिवरेज पायपलायन म्हणजे तेतूंतल्यान पास आउट केला म्हणून. सो
पळय आमी जायतेच फोटो प्रेसार आयिल्ले. हे दीस इज अ रॉंग नोशन पीपल हॅव दॅट द वॉटर पायपलायन इज पासिंग थ्रू अ सुएज चेंबर. ऑफकोर्स देर इज अ वॉटर पायपलायन वीच इज गोईंग. सुएज चेंबर चालू केला. सुएज चेंबर आमी सुएज पायपलायन कांयच चालू करूंक ना. आतां तो सुएज चेंबर बांदतना ती पायपलायन आहा ती आमी तोडूंक ना. ताका सुएज चेंबर बांदतकच भायल्यान कनेक्शन दिवन ती आमी कापतात. दॅट डजंट मीन ती सुएजच्यान वता. सुएज अजून कमिशनूच करूंक ना. ताका नव्या चेंबरांतल्यान 10 सुद्दां लायनी गेल्यो जाल्यार कांय फरक पडना. आमी 10 भायल्यान लायनी घालून त्यो भितरल्यो कापतात. तशें आसता तें.
So, but you are confident about that 31st May, the work will be completed?
See, I am the only one saying that you will complete the work. Not a single person from the press has said that I will complete the work. Have you said it? You have not said it. Any one of you who are interviewing me today have said it? Not said it. I am saying that this is a huge challenge and I will complete it.
No, so we may say that I have confidence that you may complete the work. पण मागीर तुमच्याच लोक सांगता ना मागीर मध्यात डेट चेंज जाता.
No. 31st May येवनी न्हय. Kenzel, I have never said that I am going back on the date. I have said that 31st May is the deadline. Plus or minus at some stretches, I will at the most extend it by a week or so, but we will complete the work.
सगळे PWD ऑफिशियल्स जी सोडा सगळे असले खंय पर्यंत काम पावलें तुवें सगळ्यां कडेन मेळ्ळी
Full review was taken today. We have measured the progress which we have done, the challenges which are there on site. It is a huge challenge to complete the project. Certain aspects which come on a day-to-day basis, like high water table. Then there are certain issues where we cannot work due to traffic during the day. Night work is happening. But more or less we are on track and we should be able to complete the road stretches by the 31st of May. Also minus here and there a couple of days, but we should be able to complete the stretches.
Sir, IMD
Plus and minus, what of being like relative small works or what?
No, we are targeting opening the roads on 31st of May. It may, in certain cases, curing is there, curing time is there for concrete roads. We keep normally curing for 15 days a road. So we will see, some curing aspects may go on. But the work will be completed.
IMD आता पावस सांगला मधल्या दिसान इन द कमिंग वीक. सो हेचो कितें इफेक्ट जावप शकता किंवा तुमी कितें प्रिकॉशन्स घेतले?
ना हे आमकां एक IMDचो रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो आसा. 11, 12, 13 तारखेर पावस प्रेडिक्ट केल्लो आसा. आमचें जें काम आहा तें मातशें फाटीं उरता पावसा खातीर. Especially concreting and all has to be totally stopped during the rain. Secondly, water table rises, manhole work cannot happen during the rain. मातशे आमचे टायमलायन्स हाचे खातीर 3 दीस फाटल्या पावसा खातीर 3 दीस फाटल्यान उरलेले. देन वी हॅड अ ब्रेक फॉर मे डे, वी हॅड अ ब्रेक फॉर इलेक्शन्स. Lot of staff issues are there because of election. Gangs are going back. Karnataka elections were there. We lost a lot of manpower. Bihar, Jharkhand elections are there. We lost another huge manpower. These challenges are there. We cannot immediately replace. Labor is a huge challenge. Excessive heat, it is difficult for labor to give that much of output. All these things are there. But I am positive. I feel that major of the work completion by 31st in Central Panchi would be done. Santinez is a bit of a challenge. Extreme cases of existing services are there. So some amount of leeway in Santinez we would require, but completion will happen.
कितले पर्सेंट काम जावं शकता एक्सटेंड करून 31st मे पर्यंत? तुम्ही 100% करपाक ट्राय करता पूण कितले पर्सेंट जावं शकता?
पळय, रोडाचेंच काम ना ते सांतिनेज. मॅनहोल्स आहा, मागीर सुएज पायपलायन घालपाक जाय. आनी आतां फ्रॉम काकुलो मॉल टू सांतिनेज STP पर्यंत मॅनहोलाचे डेप्थ 14 मिटर सुद्दां पावल्ली आसा. पायपलायन इज गोईंग बिलो द सांतिनेज क्रीक. ह्यूज चॅलेंज. तर ते काम चालू आसा त्या स्ट्रेचार. तो फायनल स्ट्रेच आमचो स्ट्रेच टील काकुलो मॉल मोर लेस कंप्लीट जातलो. The second road stretch is all dependent on how my sewage line moves and how the manholes come up. But Work is going on. I'm positive we are putting
second-
a huge effort to get this complete.
सेकंड आता पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट येऊ लागले बिकॉज ऑफ स्मार्ट सिटी वर्क ह्या वर्सा वोटींग देंवलें म्हणून पणजे सो तेजेर कितें म्हणटा
हय हांव ह्या वोटींग पर्संटेजीर कमेंट करपाक कोण नाही पण आज हांवें फिगर्स पळयल्ले मुद्दम अशे लोक उलयता म्हणून the drop is 3%. 68% odd was this year's voting. In 2019, it was 71%. There is a 3% drop. But how they are attributing this 3% drop to smart city work, I don't know. This is a $1 million question to me also. But there are various other factors. No? Other factors also should be considered. There are school holidays, vacations. Here there are central government employees, outstation employees, bank employees, people go home. There are various
When you talk
aspects.
about all these labor and central government, outstation, was the government or was the smart city not aware that elections would be held? Everything had to be put in place. They would go for voting. Because deadline was given for 30th.
We are still honoring the deadline, but these are challenges. We knew elections were being held, gangs would go, but work has not stopped. Work has decreased to a certain extent. The speed has come down because of these setbacks. I am not saying the work has been stopped and work is going on, but that pace, that the grip which was there, slightly suffered due to this election week.
How would you react on this contract? Some of your contractors trying to waste huge amount of water and there too water which is used daily for daily use. Sometimes people don't get water.
See, most of the dewatering which is happening is groundwater. It is not that water which is being wasted from the pipeline.
So I have highlighted the
No,
water which
one or two breakages are there, but many a times media has reported a lot of water flowing. Most of the water flowing is dewatering which is happening because of manholes. Groundwater is being pumped out for people to be able to work down at a depth of 7 to 8 meters. Groundwater is at 1.5 to 2 meters.
I can understand the water being pumped out. This was not water which was pumped. I had to personally call CCP and inform that water is being wasted. And then it was stopped.
There are issues of pipeline breakage. There are issues. We rectified, and some amount of loss is there. But many a times this the dewatering water is also being considered as fresh water. which
सर
is wrong.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स आता येयल्ले कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्सांनी मिटींग जाली त्यांचे कितें बॅरियर्स आसा त्यांनी कितें सांगलें
ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स सुद्धा बऱ्या